welcome back to our channel. My name is Karen and I am one of the 2 Orchids, and today I want to share with you a fall get ready with me video with this look. My partner in crime, Lauren, will be doing her get ready with me next week. So stay tuned for that video. I am not a makeup artist. I love to play with makeup. As you guys know, our channel is not really all beauty. We do like to talk beauty, but we do a lot. We're more lifestyle. So to do get ready with me videos sometimes is out of my comfort zone, but we were asked by the sweet Carla Harris from Real Chicks TV to do a collab with some other amazing, beautiful, more mature women with seasonal makeup looks. And when she reached out to us, I'm like, absolutely, we'd love to. So I sat down this morning, had a cup of coffee, chit-chatted, and did this makeup look for you all. I hope you enjoyed it. And I hope you guys enjoy the fall season. So sit back, grab a cup of coffee, enjoy, and thank you so much for watching. I got my hair all pulled back. I do have my foundation and my brows done already. And excuse my mirror, you guys, but I have to see. So it's going to be here in a little bit in the corner here of the video. So the first thing I have on my lips when I sit down to my vanity is it's called Unicorn Kisses. And I put this on my lips. It's like almost like purpley shimmery. I love this stuff. And it's like has like the smell and taste of a sweet tart. I love it. So then next what I do is I have from Lime Life. And I love the concealer and foundation, but right now I have the concealer on, the lightest color. And what I do is I just tap that, tap that on under my eye just for the dark circles. And just make things like just look all, uniform as far as color-wise. So I've got that on. And then next I do my little cocktail hair of IT Cosmetics in the medium. As you can see, I have like hardly any left. I do have one on order. And I do the bronze. I mix them both together because I'm out of my Cover FX drops. So this is perfect. I love the color of the two. So I've got that on. And of course you have to, set everything. I love the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I've got that on top. Next are the brows. So I love the Anastasia. Right now I'm using the Brow Wiz and it's been perfect. And honest to God, you guys, what I do is I just, just do like little lines here. I really have very extremely light brows. So I have all these little lines. I just like draw them in. And sometimes I'll even square it out a little bit. And then what I do use is from MAC. I use this it's like a concealer. And with a little teeny brush here. And I just put a little bit in and I just like edge it off real nice so it's nice and crisp and clean. So my brows. All right, now on to the makeup. So I'm gonna use, this is a tart shaped tape. This is like for eyes. This is like a, what do you wanna call it? A primer. So I'm gonna go ahead and prime up my eyes here. And I'm sorry if I'm using this finger and I'm not flipping you guys off or anything, but that's just the finger I use. All right, so I got that on. And hey, listen guys, I am not a makeup artist. I don't even think I'm good at putting on makeup, truly. But oh, by the way, yeah, anyway, I did tell you guys that in the intro. So I just flop it on. I don't even care about brushes. I know which brushes work for me, so that's what I go with. I couldn't tell you what they are, what the number is. I know some of the girls are so good at that. But you know what, they're makeup artists or, their channel is just beauty. Ours isn't just beauty. So what I'm going to use today, though, is the Too Faced Gingerbread Palette. This is my autumn look, as I mentioned in the intro. And this is like one of my absolute favorite eyeshadow palettes. So we're going to start off with the light color here. And this one is called Powdered Sugar. And what I like to do is I like to brush that all over my eye. I've got my window open right here because I'm like sweating and the heat's on too. No wonder why. Because it's only going to be high in the 50s today here. Okay, so as you can see, hopefully you can. I just sort of like the way that looks. And also what happens is it just gives me that little highlight that I need under my brow when everything's all done. So that is what I do first. Next I have Gingerbread in the crease and tip. And again, this is just the brush I'm using right now. I'm not even sure what the heck it is. So, let me see, Gingerbread in the crease. So, this is Gingerbread. You guys, it's been so long since we did a Get Ready With Me. I keep forgetting I gotta share the color. So, Gingerbread, right here. So again, we're going a little autumny here. And I do have hooded eyes, you guys. So, and again, my techniques are not the proper techniques. I'm just telling you right now. It's just how I roll. It's what I do. Okay. Now this is going to be the gingerbread. Obviously, if you can just imagine, hopefully you can see, it's going to be hard with the lighting, guys, and I do apologize. This was just the easiest way for me to film today. I've got such a busy day. I'm also vlogging today, so, and my daughter's coming in, my youngest Kate, and I want to make dinner early so I can have her take some home. So I do have a lot going on. So let's get a little gingerbread on the other side. So if you hear that noise in the background, it's the window and the heat. Not very smart of me right now. But you do what you gotta do. Okay. I'm doing this sideways in a way, so it's really not easy. So I'm hoping they're gonna, you know, match my two eyes when I'm done here. Okay, so now that I got gingerbread, now as you guys can see, I say crease, but for me, I go up higher because with hooded eyes, if I were just to put it in the crease, you wouldn't see it. Not to mention, as you get older, gravity tends to, you know, draw things down a little bit. So I just like to lift that up. Okay, so we got that. Now I'm gonna put spiced rum, and let me see where it's at without my glasses on. Where are you, spiced rum? Here we go. This is this bottom right corner. So if you guys have your gingerbread spice or just palette, pull it out. Do it along with me. Okay, so I'm gonna do this on the outer V. Now if you watch, I love watching Sugar Puff and Fluff. She's so good with doing makeup for the outer, for the outer V, for hooded eyes. Nisha. She's so super sweet. Okay. Oh my, woohoo. Got a lot of ginger on there, but I don't know, I got a pretty olive shirt on, so I think it'll look pretty today. All right, so next what I'm going to do, oh, gingerbread latte on the lid. So let me find a brush for that. Okay, so let me see, gingerbread latte, which is this color right here on the lid. I just love the fall hues. They are just so beautiful. And to be honest with you, they're like my favorite colors all year round anyway. And honestly, again, I'm saying honestly so many times, but I do use this palette so much throughout the years because I really do love these shades. Okay, so I got that on the lid. Okay, and then next I'm gonna put Warm and Toasty on the center of the lid, which is this real pretty kind of gold shade right here. And yes, I'm using the same brush. Just to give it a little little pop of sparkle. Okay. All right, so that's it for the eyes here. Okay, so next what I'm going to do is conceal under my eyes, and I do the one from Limelight to go for the dark circles, and then I do the Too Faced Born This Way just to like blend this now into my foundation, because this is obviously a little bit lighter than my foundation, just to make my eyes look a little bit brighter but also still conceal. So I love this stuff, and I also put it on my lips too. I'm one of these people that love concealer and foundation on my lips before I put lipstick on, because I just don't like to color my own shade of lip. I just don't. I never have. And I feel like when I do my makeup, and if my lips are my natural color as I do my makeup, I feel like nothing blends. It just doesn't look right. Does anyone else have that same issue? I know it's just weird, but just how I am. Okay, so got the concealer, and this is early in the morning, and I probably have bags under my eyes, but it is what it is. All right, so what I have is the RCMA, sorry. This is a setting powder. And I'm gonna set the under eye nicely here. It is a beautiful day, even though it's gonna be only in the 50s. Right now it's like, actually it's probably in the 40s right now. I'm looking out my bedroom window. It looks so pretty. The leaves are changing. It's just festive, and I love this time of year. It's just so beautiful. Okay, so next we're gonna do a little contouring. My husband came into the room. Now he's used to it, but the first time when I started contouring, he's like, what is on your face? So I love to use the Benefit. This is a contour stick, and what I like to do is suck in a little bit. See that? On this side too. Down here, because you got those little, you know, saggy areas as we get older. I do it on top. Don't know why I do it up there, but I do. I really don't have a big forehead, but normally if you do, you would do it there. And then of course down each side of your nose here. And the tip. Okay. But I told you, when he first walked in, he's like, oh my, what are you doing? I'm like, I do this all the time. You just never even noticed it because I blend it so nicely. So you want to just blend that in. And that's what I'm doing here. Giving it a nice little, you know, cutting out. You know, I do have a round face. And it just helps just give you a little bit of definition. So here we go. One time Lauren and I were filming. And we're filming and Lauren goes like, what is that on your face? I'm like, where? And she's pointing, and I forgot to blend this. Thank goodness she noticed before we started. We were just sitting down to film, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I've got these lines. Okay, so down the nose. There you have it. Okay, so next I'm going to bronze up a little bit, and I love the bronzer blush kind of a, it's like you can get it together or separately from Lime Life, and I'll link all this stuff for you guys below. But here is like 2 bronzer shades and a blush. I'm gonna tap lightly on those bronzer shades, and again, just sort of swirl this around where I just did the contour, and just to define it a little bit more, bring it down. All right, so there you have it. And then next I'm gonna put my blush on, and this is, honest to God, this is my favorite blush of all time. It's by Clinique, and it's called Fig. Love this stuff. There you have it. You can tell it's loved. Okay. I like blush, and anytime you've ever probably watched any Get Ready With Me or watched any videos, you know I am a blush girl. So if you don't like blush, just maybe fast forward through this part, because I love it. I love me my blush. I just do. I was never one that can ever kind of do the makeup that is like the no makeup look. No, it's just not me. You know, I was born in the 60s and grew up in the 80s, and everything was dark, and you know, our blush was way more intense than I wear it now. So it's just how it is. All right, so next we're going to do a little highlight, and I love, this is the Sugar Peach by Too Faced, and oh my goodness, this is a great palette. As you can tell, I use all the bronzer, but I love the highlighter too, and I love in the summertime. I was wearing these as blush, which, you know, you can wear anytime. I still, you know, I just say there's never a season that you just have to wear specifically, you know, one thing. I just say, if you want to do it, just do it. So we're going to do a highlight. I'm going to do a tad right here and over here. This is my favorite, down the center of your nose. Oh, I love the way that looks. I'm going to do a little bit more. Okay, it's hard to tell because I'm doing this sideways. And then I get a little brush here, and I like to do, oh no, before I do that, let's hold on a minute. I am going to put a little eyeshadow underneath my eye. Now, the thing about this one palette, as far as under the eye as a liner, there isn't really one I specifically like to use. So a lot of times I will grab like a MAC brown shade, like this one here. And I'll list what color this is because, oopsie, hold on a minute. Okay, I can't see without my glasses, and it's pretty worn off. So I'm going to use this color here under my eye. Oops, I've got the wrong brush for that. And I used to wear eyeliner on the top of my eye and in the waterline on top, but then I just stopped doing it. And I like it. I like that I don't do that anymore. All right, so there's that. Now we're going to go back to the highlighter and do the inner corners of my eye. right like that, you can see. Okay. Got that done, and next we are on to the lashes. Got my eyelash curler, which I probably should have. Oh, it's okay. We'll just chit chat while I do that real quick. Now, last year I had eyelash extensions, and then I ended up having what they call is lash fallout. And yeah, so I lost a lot of my lashes. So now they're getting better, much, much better. I'm loving this L'Oreal Paradise mascara. This is the primer and the mascara. Oh my goodness. When I go out, people say, you've got, oh my gosh, what do you have on your lashes? They're so beautiful, you have extensions. No, these are my natural lashes. It's this stuff. So we're gonna put some primer on. And what I have found doing this is I like to put the primer on, and I need a new one. It's getting a little bit old. And then immediately, that same eye, go right to the mascara. That's how I do it. I like to put it on while the primer is still nice and, you know, still wet, not dried. And, oh, love it. Love it. I'm gonna finish off the next eye here. All done. I'm gonna top it off with some lipstick, and this is Giorgio Armani lipstick that I got in New York City last year. I don't use liner often, guys, because what I have found, it makes my lips super dry, and I'm really, my phone is going a million miles an hour. Okay, so there it is. I got mascara on my hand. I'm gonna take this off, try to fluff up the hair that I just straightened before I started filming. And there you have it, guys. I'll try to take a close-up picture when I go outside or closer to a window or something else, but this is my autumn makeup. I really, truly probably wear these a lot of times throughout the entire year, but I love this gingerbread palette. I love it so very much, and of course my fig blush, and I love this lipstick, and again I will list the color in the description section. But I can wear these all year round, but this is perfect for autumn. And I hope you guys enjoyed my get ready with me. Like I said, I am not a makeup artist by no means. I just love wearing it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Happy fall, happy autumn, and be sure to check out all those beautiful other women that were doing their makeup looks for the autumn season. We'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.